Kids Drawing Camp. Today we are going to draw a wardrobe with different stuff inside. Let's draw and color it together. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First of all, let's draw the wardrobe itself. Almost ready. That is some perfume. Glasses. It's a hat with a wide brim. It's a women's handbag. Sneakers. Women's boots. It's a lovely dress. T-shirt and jeans. One more beautiful dress. And now let's color it together. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.